You will be surprised. In 45 days, I can grow a very productive strawberry garden. In this video, I will share step by step so you can grow it at home, even on the balcony. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Can you believe that I can grow young plants from mulberry leaf stalks? Tomatoes help improve soil and stimulate faster germination. Garlic helps to disinfect and prevent plant borers. I rub the seedlings with garlic and sprinkle it on the tomatoes planted in the ground. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. After finishing the nursery, I watered the plants to help keep them moist. I used up the paint can and cut a big hole to plant the tree. I drilled holes around to drain water to prevent the plant from being flooded. To not take up space on the ground, I punched a hole and used a rope to tie the three ends and hung it up high. To avoid waterlogging when watering directly on the plant, I use a soda bottle with small holes and a wick to slowly draw water into the soil to help the plant have moderate moisture. I want the plants to be healthy and grow quickly right from the start. I mix rice husks and worm castings with the soil to grow the plants. It's amazing, in 10 days the branch I planted has sprouted and grown into a healthy young tree. I will plant it in a painted pot. After planting, I will put water in the bottle. At this stage, the tree needs more nutrients to grow into fruit, helping the fruit to be more abundant and larger. This bag of fertilizer is organic fertilizer that helps increase fruit set and helps plants grow healthier. I mix liquid fertilizer with water to water the plants. Liquid fertilizer is taken from sea fish soaked for a long time. To prevent pests and fungi from entering, I mix chopped garlic with water and spray it on the plants. In just 45 days, I had a strawberry garden full of fruit. Don't you think it's amazing? Now I will pick it and invite everyone to enjoy it. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day.